My name is Carrie Singh. My husband and I live on James Island in Parrot Bluff neighborhood, and we are very happy Classic Remodeling customers. So when we first moved in, the extent of the porch was the portion that you see now that's screened in. That portion was there. It was a much different look. It was unfinished wood. It had a very encumbered feeling to it, and that you hardly had a view. The support beams, there were many of them, and you could hardly see through them. So the view of the marsh was really hindered through that. So what we wanted to do is expand the whole backyard and the view of the marsh by expanding the deck along the length of the house. So the parts that you see on the two ends are completely new, where they extended the porch out along the length of the house, added two different areas for seating and possible area for a grill and barbecuing, and also added underneath the porch a significant amount of storage capability with some sort of screened in enclosed areas. Well, we worked with Jason Wagner on our project. We came to Jason with sort of a general idea of what we thought we might like to do, and he and Bob came back with some really beautiful ideas and just saw it through from those early conversations all the way through the end. Jason was fantastic at keeping me apprised of the level of work, what was happening next. It was beautifully managed. There were never any long delays where something wasn't getting done and we were just sitting here waiting. Everything was really tightly managed, and he was always very consistent with communicating with me as to what was happening next, what needed to happen next, and very professional from the beginning. And I would say that also about all the workers that were here. I was so impressed with the level of professionalism, politeness, diligence, and never did we have problems where there was anything broken or trash laying around or anything like that. It was a very inobtrusive process, the entire thing. My husband and I both work in the customer service industry, and to be able to have that kind of professional relationship with people, to get that kind of positive feedback and follow through all the time, to know what was expected, and then some of the more nitty-gritty details, which is it came in on budget and it came in on time. Those are both just huge benefits of working with Classic Remodeling. Just the title of Classic Remodeling sets a certain tone and a certain image. I think when you see any of the work, their finished product is just beautiful. There's a tremendous attention to detail and quality. I remember one day when the stairs were first finished, we went out and my husband and I looked and we realized that the edges of the stairs were mitered, and we were just so shocked because our old stairs were just slabs of wood. And so to see these mitered edges and this very finished look we were just sort of excited about the stairs. But we realized as the process went along that was just sort of a small indication of the rest of the work that Classic Remodeling was doing. And from the beginning, the earliest conversations where we talked about some of our vision and some of their vision, it was just very clear that they were open to hearing what we had to say, wanted to present some of their own ideas, but at the same time it was really a sort of collaborative process in working together. Our hope is to use the new porch for some outdoor activities this summer. Barbecues, maybe sitting out on the porch and enjoying the beautiful view of the marsh and taking advantage of some of the beautiful work that these guys were able to accomplish for us.